Welcome to the in front of me Honor 50, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store, and here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application is installing on our device. Now just open the app, click here enable and settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher, click OK, again OK, and now just go back and here tap to the switch input methods and switch the Swift keyboard to the English United States keyboard. And now as can you see has finished, and now we can go somewhere when we can enter something, and here as can you see we got our look of our new keyboard, and this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.